Hi, this is the SONY Xperia 5 Mark V and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, with the simple touch on the power key button, I just successfully unlocked the device without any problems. Just simple touch, I'm not pressing it, so you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.